version we just finished. Doing some tuning now, some street tuning a little bit, especially on full load and power throttle. But 6 pounds, 7 pounds of boost max for now, just to get her going. And everything looks good. She wants a lot of fuel low end. She really spools, like you can see that, barely touch the throttle. She like spools right up. It's amazing response inside. There we go, 6 gear. She sounds like, the sound is just amazing. And that turbo spool here. Crazy that the amount that she picks up, the power she picks up just with 6 pounds of boost, it's freaking night and day. You know, so here she is. She's alive and well. The AITs are like amazing. Look at the AITs. I've been AITs beating on it, and that's straight into the manifold. So sorry, the phone is like hard to